Hey guys, some of you have asked how to turn a paper file into an electronic file. And I'm going to show you how to use Adobe Scan and Adobe Acrobat to turn a file into a PDF file, or turn a paper document into a PDF file and edit it also. The first thing you're going to need to do is download the mobile apps for Adobe Scan and Adobe Acrobat. You can see those pretty much in the middle of my screen here. I'm going to select the one on the left, the Adobe Scan app first. This will automatically open up the scanner. The scanner will find the document and take a picture, and then it'll process it and ask you if you want to continue with it or if you want to crop it first, but I'm going to hit continue. And then it's going to save it down here in the right corner. I'm going to select that, and this will open up the edit page. So on the bottom you have a bunch of different options you can choose from to edit. You can add more pages to this by continuing to scan more documents by selecting that. Once you have multiple documents within one scan project, you can use the second option to reorder the scanned documents if you need to. The third option is to crop it, and you can select the circles and the lines and do what you need to do to crop the file to your liking. I'm going to get out of there and go back to the menu here. You can rotate the document with the rotate feature on the bottom. To the right of that is the color option. You can change it to black and white. You can change it to a whiteboard feature. You can change it to the original color, whatever you like. And then on the menu at the bottom to the right, you'll see the cleanup feature. I'm going to show you how to use this one. Select that, open up your document by spreading your two fingers apart on the document. Use two fingers to move the document around. And say, for example, I see that person on a bicycle there. If I didn't want that on a document for some reason, I can, again, I'm going to zoom in as close as I can. And then I'm going to touch the document and begin to move my finger around. So anything that goes within the colored area should be erased. Almost everything there. And got it. And then in the top right corner, I hit the check mark, and that'll save the document now without the bicycle person on it. Top right corner, I can hit Save PDF. This will save it as a PDF file. Now the options on the top right menu, you'll see it says Share, Acrobat, Comment, and More. You can look through those and familiarize yourself with what to do with those, but I'm going to select the Acrobat option right now. I do that, it opens up the other app I was telling you about getting. And in here, by hitting the pencil on the bottom right corner, it'll open up some more features for you to edit. I'm going to hit the Fill and Sign option, the second one. This will allow me to put some text in here. So if I go to right where it says Cycling Class Times and I tap the document, it's actually going to open up a text box for me. I'm going to zoom in by using two fingers and spreading them apart, and then using two fingers to move the document. I'm going to get to that text box, and I'm going to type something in there, and then let's see if I can move this document, move this text box. There you go. I can move it around to where I want it to be. And let's say I wanted to actually put a signature in there. Well, on this menu right here, this text box menu, the second one from the right is, I guess that's supposed to be a pen. You select that, and there's my signature that I had saved in there earlier. So I can change the text of the color of my signature with these color options here at the top. I can resize my text box here so that it'll fit where I want it to fit with that little arrow option. Make it smaller, fits better. Rearrange it a little bit. There you go. I tap in the document, and now my signature is saved on the document also. So those are a couple different features you can use within the Adobe Acrobat app. There's obviously more you can see on the page here or on my screen, a lot more features, but you're welcome to check out those on your own. It's a great tool to use if you want. Hope it helps.